Hi, my name is Nitesh Bhardhwaj, working as an AI engineer at Chetu. I joined this company about 7 months ago as a fresher. Before joining Chetu, I was a part of Chetu Skill Center, where I built a strong foundation through practical learning as well as theoretical learning. This made my transition much smoother and comfortable. From day one at Chetu, I experienced a very supportive and learning environment and culture. I got opportunity to work on real-time projects, explore new technology, and even work with the client. This really helped me to improve my technical skills as well as my communication and problem-solving skills. What I truly appreciate is that companies support continuous learning and treat mistake as an opportunity to learn. Overall, my journey here has been very rewarding. It not just only strengthened my skills but also built confidence and professionalism. I'm proud to be the part of an organization that truly values learning, growth, and teamwork. Thank you.